This is question number 3. If 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is 4 by 3, then find the value of 3a square minus 7b and 3a square plus 7b square. So first we will take given ratio which are equal. So here 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b. This ratio is equal with 4 by 3. This is already given. So we can begin with this. So we will use this information and we will perform componendo and dividendo to find the value of a and b. Once we will get the value of a and b, then we can find out the value of 3a square minus 7b square and 3a square plus 7b square. So I am going to do componendo and dividendo. So here we will write by componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b. So this is our numerator and this is our denominator. In between numerator and denominator, we have taken plus sign. Same we will repeat in denominator by taking minus sign. So in numerator we are doing componendo, in denominator we will do dividendo. So 3a plus 7b, this is our numerator, minus, because we are doing dividendo, 3a minus 7b. So when I'll take minus, here we have one more minus. So this minus and minus will multiply and it will become plus 7b. 4 plus 3, same we will do on the other side, and 4 minus 3. Componendo, dividendo on both the sides. Now this is positive 7b, this is negative 7b, will become 0. This is negative 3a, this is positive 3a, will be 0. So this can be written as 3a plus 3a upon 7b plus 7b is equals to 4 plus 3, that is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 7 upon 1. Now 3 plus 3 will give me 6a upon 7 plus 7, that is 14b. So we can send this 7 upon 1. Here we have 7 upon 1. 2 3s are and 2 7s are. So you can divide 6 and 14 in numerator and denominator by 2. So you will get 3 upon 7. So this way, here we can keep b, a upon b. On the other side we have 7 upon 1. This 3 is in numerator. So when I'll send it to the other side, it will go in denominator. So here we can write 3 in the denominator. And this 7 is in denominator. So when I'll send it to the other side, it will go in numerator. So here we can write 7. So we can have value of a by b as 49 upon 3. 7 sevens are 49, 3 ones are 3. So these are values of a by b, that is 49 upon 3. So now we have value of a by b and we need value of this expression, that is 3a square and 7b square. So first you need to convert this a by b into 3a square and 7b square. So for that I'll do squaring with a and b. So here I'll take a square upon b square. So when I'll take a square upon b square, I'll do same on the other side, that is 49 square upon 3 square. So 49 square is 2401 upon 3 square, that is 9. So a square upon b square is 2401 upon 9. Then we need 3 times of A and 7 times of B also. So here we will multiply A square upon B square with 3 and 7. So, so same we will do on the other side. 3 into 2401 upon 7 into 9. So when you multiply 2401 with 3 and 7 9, so before that we need to check can we divide anything here. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, this can be divided, and this 2041 2401 can be divided by 7. So when I'll divide it by 7, so it will look like 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 3 will left, 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28, 2 will left. Again 7 threes are 21. So 343 upon 3. So 343 upon 3. This is value of 3a square upon 7b square. Now we can do componendo and dividendo at this point. So by doing componendo, again we will do componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equals to, on the other side we will do componendo and divid on the other side we will do componendo and dividendo, that is 343 upon plus 3 upon 343 minus 3. So this would be 343 plus 3, that is 346 upon 340. So this is your final answer. So first I am going to multiplying both the side by 1 upon 4. So I am going to multiply 1 by 4 in both the side. So when you multiply 1 by 4 here, 1 will multiply with the numerator and 4 will multiply with the denominator. Same we will do on the other side, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So this numerator will remain unchanged. So I can write it x square plus 12x minus 20, because we multiplying by 1, and denominator will multiply it with 4. So 4 3s are 12x minus 4 5s are 20 is equals to x square plus 8x plus 12, because numerator is multiplied with 1, so there will be no change in numerator. Denominator will multiply with 4, so 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12. So after multiplying both the sides by 1 by 4, this is your resulting equation. Now I can do dividendo by dividendo. In dividendo, we used to subtract denominator from the numerator and keeping denominator same. So same we going to do. My numerator is x squared plus 12x minus 20. This is numerator. And we are going to subtract denominator, that is 12x minus 20. And keeping denominator same, that is 12x minus 20 is equals to, on the other side we will do dividend of x square plus 8x plus 12 minus, because we are doing dividendo, and we will subtract denominator 8x plus 12 and keeping denominator same as 8x plus 12. Now we will open these two brackets. So your numerator will look like this: x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x minus minus will become plus 20 upon 12x minus 20. On the other side it will be x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x minus 12 upon 8x plus 12. So positive 8x, negative 8x, positive 12, negative 12 will eliminate. So plus minus, these will eliminate. What is left? X square upon 12x minus 20 on the left hand side and x square upon 8x plus 12 on the right hand side. Now after doing dividendo, this is your resulting equation: x square upon 12x minus 20, which is equals to x square upon 8x plus 12. Now this equation is true for x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 is one of the solution. So here we can say if x is not equals to 0, then x square is equals to 0, right? So we can divide both the sides by x 1 by x square. So this equation is true. Here you can mention that this equation is true for x equals to 0, and if x equals to 0, so x equals to 0 is one of the solution for these equations, right? So if x is not equals to 0, then x square is also not equals to 0. So therefore we can divide this 1 by x square. So when you divide it, x square will cancel. 1 upon 12x minus 20 is equal with 1 upon 8x plus 12 will left. Now you can cross multiply. So you will get 8x plus 12 equals to 12x minus 20. So you can keep 12x on its place. This 8x can be sent to the right hand side, will become minus 8x, and keeping 12 on its place, this 20 can be sent on the left hand side, will become minus 20. So 12 minus 8, 4x. 20 came to this side, which was negative, so it will become positive. It will be 32. So x equals to 32 by 4 So this way you can have value of x as 8, and this is your solution. I'll show you your complete solution on this screen. Yes, this is your question, and this is your final answer, that is x equals to 8. Observe carefully. This is question number 4. Root of x 4x plus 1. This is an equation. We need to solve this equation and find the value of x. So first I am going to do componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, so when we make componendo and dividendo, root of 4x plus 1 plus root of x plus 3 plus 4x plus 1 minus 4x x plus 3. So this is numerator and this is denominator. We adding numerator and denominator because we doing componendo. Now we will do dividendo in the denominator by taking minus sign between numerator and denominator. So here we can say root of 4x plus 1 plus root of x plus 3. This is my numerator. I'll take minus sign and then I'll write denominator, that is 4x plus 1 minus x plus 3 is equals to 4 plus 1, that is componendo, 4 minus 1, that is dividendo. Now when we open the bracket, look, this plus sign will remain in between these two and this minus will remain. So this is positive and this is negative. And when you open brackets in denominator, this negative sign will change to plus, because here we have minus sign out of the bracket. So this minus and this minus will multiply, and this will become plus and this will become minus. So this is negative and this one is positive. So if this is negative and this is positive, will become 0. Now here we have 2 times of, this is 1 root 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, and this is 1 root 4x plus 1. So you can write it as 2 root 4x plus 1. Same way in denominator we can write 2 root x plus 3. On the other side it will be 5 upon 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now 2 will cancel. So your final expression is root of 4x plus 1 upon root of x plus 3 is equals to 5 upon 1. Now we can take square, we can do squaring on both the sides. So when you do squaring on both the sides, so when you do squaring on the left hand side, you will left with 4x plus 1 upon x plus 3, and on the right hand side it will become 25 upon 1. Now we can cross multiply them. So it will be 4x plus 1 into 1, and 25 will multiply with this x plus 3. So it will become 25x plus 25 3s are 75. So keeping 4x on its place, this 25x can be taken to this side, will become minus 25x. On the other side we have 75, and this positive 1 can be sent to that side, will become negative 1. So when you subtract 4 from 25, you will left with 21x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you will get 74. So x is actually 74 by minus 21. So this is your answer. Okay, there was a little bit mistake in that. So this is 4x plus 1 upon x plus 3 is equals to 25 by 9 actually. So when we cross multiply them, it would be 9 into 4x plus 1 and 25 into x plus 3. Now 36x plus 9 ones are 9, 25x and 75. So keeping 36x on its place, this is 25, so negative 25x is equals to 75 on the other side, and this minus, this will become minus 9. So 36 minus 25 will give me 11x, and 75 minus 4 9, that is 66. So x is 66 upon 11. So your final answer is 6.